Annual inspection time. 2 vehicles here. Boom. I always say boom. Why don't I go boom, 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 boom. But what do we have here? 2018 Corvette. Annual inspection. No swirls. A scratch here, a scratch there. No swirls. Great shape. Not in bad shape. Good shape. Great shape. The best shape. Any coating could actually, that's a lot of blah, blah, blah. Then we have this Audi 2018 Q7. And for its annual inspection, the dealership trashed it though. Trashed it with these brush car washes and stuff like that. But the coating took the abuse, not the clear coat. So I used a finishing polish on it. All the swirls are gone. A little scratch here, a little scratch there. But the coating did its job. And Mr. Brubaker said, oh my God, it's been easy to clean. And putting a new layer of top coat on. Boom, annual inspection done. Both of these are out the door.